What's up, everybody? I woke up like 10 minutes ago, but thought it'd be a good day to do like a little vlog video kind of thing. I'm meeting my friend, and we're going to the Gotoku-ji Temple. I forgot the name, and my brain's not working right now, but it's the cat shrine, not temple. So yeah, I'll take you guys along for a little bit. Should have a good time. I'm in this high street again. Looks a lot different at day than it does at night. A lot quieter. I'm off the train now, moving my way to the station, to the temple. I'm going to meet my friend there. This area I'm walking through looks really cute. Don't know if you can see, all the little cherry blossoms are falling from the tree now. Walk over to it. Let's get them all along the floor here. Yeah, falling through. Just a temporary lifespan of the Hanami season. Yeah, this whole area. I don't know if anyone's played. Check if I'm the right way. I don't know if anyone's played the World War Z. This area reminds me of where you play in that. Just interesting streets, like all the buildings are different. Nice bits of nature. See a long ass street. Cool little building there. Oh, these smell really good. See, that's what I mean about Japan. It's just things to look at all the time. You're just walking constantly, but it's always pretty. Trees losing its sakura. It's another gorgeous little area. Struggling a little bit. I'm going to be looking. Oh, I think this is hydrangea. The rhododendron. That'd be cool. Yeah. Anyway, I'm struggling a little bit, and I'm going to keep an eye out for some coffee and some food. I'm near the temple gate now. Found my coffee. Making come here. Great. Down here. Kirane. Yo. Itsukushima Ginger. Ginger is temple, isn't it?
お名前はヨハネス。オーストリア人です。行きましょう。
Cool. So Johannes is going to demonstrate how to use one of these. Saw it in the other video. So first, wash your left hand. Hidari te arau. Just there. Kuchi arau. So wash your left hand, right hand. Clean the ladle. So washing your hands cleanses the body, I believe, and then washing your mouth, so bao. And washing the mouth cleanses the mind, and now we're good to enter the temple and walk around.
Your oshibori all over the place. Oishii na.
Anami is almost over. Look at the trees. Oh, little Johannes, a tired baby. Tired little baby. All is not good. What's the Chiotombo. O aoe to tombo. O aoe to ton. O yeah. O aoi to tombo. Oi to tombo. Oh, I need the microphone by my hand. Okay. Oh, shio kara tombo. That was a bit easier.
Damn, that was good.
Motsuko. Suji ebi. Suji ebi. So I guess like small prawn. Then we got the cool ones. Oh, Ayodai shion shio. Ayodai shio. Tanuki. So there must be a few tanuki because they just call raccoons tanuki. But tanuki is like a raccoon dog, and then it's also the mythical one. Otaka. It's a hawk.
There's more over here.
Dan, you can do a few.
Konaga.
Bashi.
Bashi.
Bashi. Bayashi.
Bayashi. Konara no mi.
On.
I.
Oh, that's a cute bird. Oh god, this one's difficult.
Oh my god. What's this again?
No.
Ego no ki no hi o suiba muya tagara.
Ta? Where do you get ta from?
Nah, this is not a ta.
Okay. Igo no kino mi o suibamuya makara. 難しいね。イギリス、日本語頑張ります。
日本語わかりましたね。
勉強してます。二人ね。そう、ビデオ作る。So we went to Shibuya real quick because the Yogi Park's real close. It's really funny. Your Highness is trying to take a phone call, but there's like speakers and music all over the place. This place is always so busy, so colourful. Okay, so I made it back to base. It's raining pretty bad outside. It's like the first time I've seen it rain like this, I think. It's been quite light. Yeah, it was a pretty good day actually. I enjoyed it a lot. I met up with Johannes, who's an Austrian friend. Yeah, hadn't seen him in a little while. He missed me a lot. I know he did. Yeah, so had a good time. Feel a bit dirty now though. Shibuya is very busy. I just film like this. Shibuya is quite a busy place, so it's like I don't know, you bump and shoulders people a lot. Getting on the train back, I was on the Chiyoda line and I was like crammed. You like crushed up, had like my arm against the wall, was kind of like this, kind of like ugh. So I'm gonna wash my face and I was gonna get some pasta to cook with those meatballs. But yeah, I'll go for a walk in the rain. It sounds nice. On second thought, I think I'm gonna stay inside. It's literally hammering it down. Yeah, so that was a terrible idea. Took one step out and I was literally like got pretty soaked already on my legs. So yeah, I'm just gonna make the keema curry instead. It's really pretty tasty. Got beans in it, so there's like protein and such. Good for me. Yeah. Don't know really what to do with this video. I'll figure out when I edit it. But, once again, thank you for watching and let me know what you want to see next time and yeah, have a good one.